Good morning everyone. Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth, and yeah, let's just start by doing this small grocery haul. This is what I'm going to use to cook for now, and I always buy as I go, especially on the fruits and the vegetables and this meat. I hope you're good. I hope you are still well since I last saw you on Tuesday, guys. So I was craving for cabbage, guys. In this house I do cabbage or I do spinach as a side, or whenever I can, or whenever I am craving. So let's just get into the video. And please, if you're new guys, please subscribe only if you like the content. Please share, and yeah, just share to your friends. Maybe it will meet a wider community, guys, and let's just grow. I decided to add these tomatoes in the cabbage because it was just pure white, and I didn't like it being pure white, and I don't know how to cook a cabbage until it's brown. Maybe I'm impatient, I don't know, but I decided to add these tomatoes. Why? Because just to add a color. Yeah, and I enjoyed it. I realized it was more tastier when it has been left over, like yesterday's food. I like hot food, but cold food are more tastier than hot ones. I'm also trying to reduce on spices and salt also. Hence, my meat is looking like that. Please, I am watching my diet because you know why? My blood pressure isn't good anymore. So I am watching it. So my son was always raving about having dogs. For sure, 6 months yonke. So we decided to just buy. I'm not a dog person, but I'm loving them. I am falling in love with them. These are leftover potatoes, sweet potatoes. So as you know, in this house, things like this, I am the only one who is eating them. Things like this, they're being eaten by me only. And yeah, I'm just gonna have breakfast with them and take them with coffee. This coffee. I was also a bit out because I woke up very early, and I did swept the ground, as you saw on the previous clip. It was around 9:30. It was to 10 actually in the morning. So yeah, we haven't had rain yet, hence the leaves are not so green. Even if my trees are evergreen, they don't go dry during winter, but they are not so green. We need rain, please. I thought that weekend of cold front, the one with snow, I thought it was gonna rain, but it just drizzled, and it didn't even go anywhere down the soil, down the ground. It was just dry. Guys, a few of you guys requested a house tour, but I need to be comfortable with. My house is still under construction. I do things as I go. I do budget first before I do some of the things in the house. Like now, I just bought a ceiling, and these are the ceiling boards. I bought 6 of them, which are many. That's a many. So yeah, I'm just gonna sell other boards, maybe 2 of them. And this is the glue for cornice. The cornice I still have from the previous construction of ceiling, and these are the nails for brandering. And here I'll be showing you the renderings behind the house. So this will be done, I don't know when, maybe end of October, because I just bought them when on end of August. So yeah, please bear with me. The house tour video will come. But I need to be comfortable. I still need to paint my walls. I still need to paint the outside. So please just bear with me. The video will come as much as I want to do it. And yeah, I haven't been buying flowers for myself, but here I am picking anything in the yard just to make me feel good, just to make the house greenier. Yeah, I just picked that thing, and I'm just using it as my flowers, because I do love the yellow flowers, even if they are too small, but I really do love flowers. So yeah, I just wanted to uplift my mood with this weed actually, but I'm just gonna use it like that. I wanted to put those flowers here, but I see that the place is congested. The place is too much. There's no space unless if I remove some of the things, like there's a bottle behind. So you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If you watch until this end, I love you so much. Thank you for the support. I really do appreciate every time that you are spending on my channel. Thank you. Bye.